Unknown Beekeeper here. Today we printed out a bee water. They seem to be liking it pretty well, so we've got another one down there too. But they've taken over half of it since this morning. We'll fill it up again tonight or in the morning. Took them a while to figure out where it was because I had it over there and they was causing too much of a ruckus. So I put the pollen feeder there and put this one here. And let me tell you something. That blue hive right there, they are meaner than mean. They chased me all the way up past the house. And here's this one. They're not using it as much, but they are in there. Well, one is anyway. But until next time, have a good one.